Welcome to Vlogmas Day 14.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Hey guys, I'm just sitting here having my tea, and I just finished doing a lot of paperwork actually. And Mike went to the bank to put checks in the bank, and yeah, it's just an easy peasy morning. So I'm going to open my advent calendars in a minute, and I'll show you guys that, and then I want to have a little chitty chat with you guys. Oh no, Mike and I put laundry. We changed our bed sheets and our duvet cover for our bed, and I forgot that the stuff was in the washer. So I have to go put it over in the dryer. I need a couple of bucks here. Oh, I shouldn't be... Okay, I'm going to hold on. I don't want people to think that I'm hogging the washer and dryer. Okay. Oh, something smells out here. Pretty bad, too. Alright, I can put it here. I have a night dress on, so. Okay, this is probably not the best place to put you guys. I'm probably better off putting it right here. Alright, let's get this stuff from the dryer. Make sure people cleaned out the lint trap. I got everything in one handful. Alright, let's put in my money and stick it on delicates, and there we go. So that's all done. Hello, kitty cat. There's 3 orange cats that hang out in the hall. Is this Hex? Yes, it's Hex. Little bugger sneaks out when I come out. Oh, he must have got out when I was coming out. Now he's gonna cough. You're okay, Hex? Okay, he's fine. I got him in the house. I left the tap running in the kitchen sink because I didn't think I was going to be gone that long, and I wasn't, so let's get that turned off. Okay, so today's the 13th of December. So I'm going to take out my chocolate. We'll see what it is in a minute. Got like a little clock, so I'll shove the whole thing in my mouth. I love mint chocolate, they're so good. Alright, let's check out the calendar. A blush. This is day 2. Ooh, 2 Ooh, it's 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 a sponge. This is the e.l.f. sponge, I'm pretty sure. These ones are good. Alright, that's good. I'm going to put this away though, because I usually only put out like a sponge or so at a time. But I will definitely use that. Not going to use it today, because as I said, I have a sponge out. You know what? I've been using the Real Technique sponge, and I don't really like them as much as I used to. I now like these e.l.f. ones, and I like the ones from Shop Miss A the best. If you can get your hands on a Shop Miss A sponge, I highly suggest you do it, because they're awesome. Okay, Mike and Star just went to take the garbage out. Oh, I'm going to finish my tea.
Plain organic kefir, the pancake riser, plain Greek yogurt, the mayo replacer.
That's like my second cup today in my Be Merry mug. I like this mug because it's big, and I like a big tea. When I get tea at Tim Hortons, I usually get a large. So I'm going to soak this to make sure. I always fill it up with hot water. There's a smell, and I don't know where it's coming from. It smells like sour. Alright, I'm going to fill that up with hot water. And I really like to know where that smell's coming from. Whew! It was the garbage can. Mike just changed the garbage bag, but it smells. I wonder if there's something on the inside of the can. Anyway, hold on a second. I'll show you guys something. Okay, so remember I said we switched out the... So we switched out the duvet cover, and then here's our clean laundry, which I have to fold. But Mike's going to help me fold it, so I'll wait till he comes in. And we'll get this all folded up and put away. So our other duvet and... What the heck is this? This isn't mine. Somebody else must have had this in the dryer, because that is not mine. Alright, we'll go fold this up. Okay, so we got some mail today. So, Scrunchwood. I got a present from Scrunchwood today. And Mike's Christmas present from Jacqueline came in. It's hiding under here because Mike's back and forth. So anyway... I haven't really been buying scrunchies off Caitlin the last little bit, and she knows why. It's because my hair is too short, so I just didn't buy any. But this is one that I was eyeing from her collection, to be quite honest with you. I love the color, and I love the snowman on it, and I might be able to wear it before the winter's over. My hair is getting a bit longer. And then she sent this sweet little card addressed to me, Mike, and all the pets, from her and her family, and just thanking me for like sharing my life on YouTube and all that good stuff. I didn't even see the little stamp on the back. That's so cute. I love it. And then, excuse me, on top of it all, she sent me a gift card for Tim Hortons and enjoy a treat on us and go look at the lights, which is something that we were thinking about doing because I was thinking about vlogging it. I'm thinking we're going to go sometime this week, maybe the weekend. And little Miss has a birthday this week. Her birthday's on Thursday, the 16th. She'll be 8 years old. So Daddy and Mommy got to go to the pet store and get her a special treat for her birthday. Yeah. Probably not a toy, because Santa will probably bring you a toy for Christmas. But we got to go get you a special treat for your birthday. She's listening to every word I'm saying. But anyway, thank you very much, Caitlin. This was very sweet. It made my day because we got a little bit of bad news today, but this just kind of made my day. And thanks, Jacqueline, for the gift for Mike, because I'm sure he's really going to love that. Look at this. I can just get the scrunchie in my ear. Hey, it works. It's too bad he couldn't be good and sweet like this all the time. Purring away. Cuddling with Mommy. I learned from using this for a little while that I don't like these anymore. That one's going in the garbage. I was saying earlier today that I like these e.l.f. ones. And I like... That's not even the e.l.f. one that I normally use. And I like the... Shop Miss A ones. Here. The AOA ones. But I'm going to get rid of my... These ones. I'm just going to put them out for somebody else to take because I don't like them. And I'm not going to use something I don't like. They're not as good as I remember them being. These ones in here are Beauty Bakery ones. They're not bad either, but these are brand new. I'm going to put these out. Somebody can have those. That one is used. I'm going to throw it in the garbage. And I'm going to buy some more of these after Christmas. Maybe I'll buy like the 10-pack of them or something because I like those ones. Doing some more decluttering in here today. I'm also going to pass along this Beauty Bakery highlighting palette because I have one coming from Ofra and I have a feeling I'm going to use that one a lot more. And I still have my Pixie one from Rachel Loves in there. So, and I'm giving away that Tarte palette, but I have a cousin that's taken that. So these I'm going to put out. And then I'm going to put out this Kosas powder. I just changed my mind on this because it is kind of darker. But I have like a brand new one, like a full size in the right color. So I'm going to hold on to that. And then I haven't used these. I'm going to pass along these eyeshadow stick things because I don't use them. So I'm going to get rid of them. And that's everything out of that drawer. I'm just in major declutter mode. I have to try all of my foundations again and see which ones I like and which ones I don't like. I'm going to get rid of this Ilia blush, cream blush, because it's just not the right color for me. I like the formula, but I don't like the color. My Miss Piggy blush is staying. These are staying. These are staying. That's staying. This is pretty, but I'm going to get rid of it because I have a similar color to it in my collection. I think it's in the Miss Piggy palette, actually, so I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to try to use some of these up. Fenty. Alright, and I think that's everything for right now. I have to go through my blush and stuff and see. Yeah, that's it for now. So I'm going to pass this stuff along and throw that in the garbage, and that's what I'm doing for right now. Okay guys, so we just spent the day at home today, and pretty much that's what I'm gonna end off today's vlog. It's kind of early, it's not even 3 o'clock yet, but I think I got enough in there for today because I don't like to make them too long. And somebody actually commented that they've been enjoying the fact that they're not too long because it's easier to keep up with all the Vlogmas videos. So I'm gonna stick between 10 and 15 minutes for my vlogs, I think. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed day 14. I will talk to you guys all tomorrow. Bye everyone.